friends, let's take a look at the 2025 BMW M5 Touring G91. A little bit of history. BMW surprised its customers when it introduced a powerful version of a Touring M5 in a E34 body in 1992. The engine output was 340 horsepower, but customers were not ready for such a car. As a result, less than 1000 units were able to be sold. In 2007, BMW updated the fifth generation of the 5 Series and at the same time introduced the 5 Series Touring E61 version of the 5 Series with the M engine, the power output of which is 505 horsepower. And now, after many years, BMW wants to delight us with a powerful car with BMW M5 Touring in a G91 body. Now the car is actively undergoing road test. You can see the details of the design and visualize what it could be like. According to the latest information, the car will get an electrified V8 with 750 horsepower. The car will premiere in late 2024. Which car color do you like best? Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.